Welcome to our gaming motherboard showdown. Today we are comparing two powerful contenders, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F and the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk. Both motherboards are designed for gamers and PC builders, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's dive into their specifications, features, and what makes each of them unique. Let's start with the technical specifications. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F features an AMD AM4 socket and supports DDR4 memory, making it compatible with a wide range of Ryzen processors. On the other hand, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk utilizes the newer AM5 socket and supports DDR5 memory, which provides faster speeds and better performance for the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. Both motherboards support PCIe 4.0, ensuring high-speed data transfer for your components. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of each motherboard. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F is known for its affordability and excellent overclocking potential, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. However, it lacks built-in Wi-Fi, which can be a drawback for some users. In contrast, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk offers the latest features, including built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, along with DDR5 support. However, it comes at a higher price point, which may not suit everyone's budget. Finally, let's take a look at user reviews. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F has received positive feedback for its performance and ease of installation, but some users have reported issues with its BIOS interface. Meanwhile, the MSI MAG 650 Tomahawk has been praised for its flawless performance and intuitive BIOS, but some users find it a bit pricey compared to other options. Overall, both motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. In conclusion, both the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F and the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi are excellent motherboards tailored for different types of users. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid performance, the ASUS board is a fantastic choice. However, if you want the latest technology and don't mind spending a bit more, the MSI motherboard is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.